Beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching this video today. Today's video, I want to take you to Finland, and there is an opportunity for those who do not have money, for those who are looking for scholarship option. But again, remember, you will still need proof of funds to study in this university in Finland. It's not actually a university but a college, but relax, I'm going to give you all the details. First thing first, there is no IELTS you need to submit here. You can move with your entire family. It doesn't matter how many people you are, in as much as you have the money to take care of them when you arrive Finland or while in Finland. Because this particular school I am talking about, it is free. Your tuition is free, but your living cost, your accommodation, and your feeding, you are the one as an applicant who is going to cover the cost. Then remember, since you are the one to cover the cost, you still need to show evidence or proof of funds. I'm going to come to that towards the end of the video. My name is Milton. If you are just joining the channel, please do not forget to share this video so that somebody can take advantage of it. This university, I beg your pardon, not university but college, they do not have scholarships, so don't look for scholarship. Also, there is no tuition fee. That is why you are going to supply your own proof of funds. But remember, the proof of funds does not include your tuition fee. Now, this program started. It's just one program you are going to be applying to. I know you may say that, okay, Milton, you are making this video. I do not think I stand a chance. I do not think I stand a chance. There are other students who are making the same statements. They are saying they do not think they can stand a chance. They can be selected. They are not sure. Hey, apply to a program like this and keep applying to others so that at the end of the day, you can pick one and run away. Now, this program started on the 1st of March and the last day is the 21st of March. So as you are watching this video, you have just few days to drop your application as fast as possible. Then the name of the school is called Riveria College. This college is located somewhere in Finland called Joensang or whatever. Maybe the shape of my mouth is not the best. And remember, the program you are going to be applying to is called Site Facility Operatives or Housekeeping. So at the end of the program, which is going to be like 2 or 3 years, you would be a site facility operator or maybe a housekeeper. Now, there are various things you need to know when you go to this school website. First of all, how is the application done? For the language requirements, I said there is no IELTS, but that is not all. You need to show that you can speak and write English. And in this case, you are going to be showing what is called Duolingo test. Duolingo test is also an English exam, but not that expensive as IELTS, not that difficult as IELTS. So in all, for you to apply for this particular program, you need a score of 85. So try as much as possible to get at least 85 points for the Duolingo. Duolingo is very cheap. I think it's $50 and you can get it after 2 days. I think even 24 hours is possible. I'm not very certain, but just know that after 2 days, you can get Duolingo test. You can prepare now and write it. Even if you decide to write now, I don't know what's the date of today, you will still submit your application because the deadline is the 21st. Then the other selection criteria you need to put into consideration is after you submit your application, remember, when you read all these details, you go to the school website, you are going to find information. The first thing is to write the Duolingo exam like I explained to you. The second thing to do in this particular university is you have to record a 2-minute video. In that 2-minute video, you need to explain to the admissions team why you actually want to study this program. All right, you need to explain to the admissions team what this program is going to help you achieve in the future. You need to explain to the admissions team your expectation and why did you even apply to this program. So these are some of the things you need to put into consideration. That's the second step. Then this is going to be in a video format like this one you are watching, guys. Make sure you are attentive, you are audible, you have a good background, a place that is not distracting people, because the quality of the video and what you say also matters in your selection in this particular university, in this particular school. Please do not forget with your Duolingo exam, these things and your interview, there are 3 things that will give you this admission. Then after that, you attach your certificate. The certificate you need is a vocational certificate, or a high school certificate is enough. But again, like I said, things like this, just apply, believe that you can get, and do not put your faith in it at all. All right, don't rely solely on it. Also try other possibilities, because as this is free, a lot of people want to take the opportunity. So guys, apply and make sure you follow the dates on the website. There is a particular date. I think your results will be released on April 18. Around that time, I'm not very certain. Please check the websites very well. They are going to do a first exam and a second interview before you will be accepted, and based on those three things, that is who is going to be qualified, or who would be qualified will be given an offer letter. And now remember, when you are given an offer letter, now you need to remember the cost is on the student. Books, accommodation, food, transportation is on the student. You need to apply for visa, and when you are applying for visa now, you need to show that you have money to cater for these things I just gave you. I just named them here. Your food, your accommodation, and according to the Finnish government, you need to have at least 6,720 euros in your personal bank account. Now, this money is okay for you since you are not paying tuition. Nothing. You do not need to bother yourself. And also, remember, this money, this 6,720 euros, must be in your personal bank account. Okay, it must be in your account. It cannot be in somebody's account. And if you want to get a sponsor, tell the sponsor transfer the money to you before you even start this application. Please remember, the program is going to start September. You need now to think, if I apply by March, it will be April, May, June. My bank account, if I create it now, will be 3 months if you do not have an account. Then can I apply for it by July? Yes, of course. Or even August. But again, I will not advise you to do visa application by August, because a lot of other applications are in. But you know, sometimes schools like this, when the visa officers are treating files, they always rush with issues related to full opportunities, part-time opportunities, and schools like this. So just make sure by August you should be applying, or you should have applied already. This is the info you need. You need that money in your account. You need to print the bank statement to show the transaction history. Don't just take money from somebody and bump it in there like that. No, it's not proper. And now with the money in that account, that is not the only document you have to go for visa application. You need insurance document. You need your academic credential, the certificate you used to apply. You need it. Maybe you need maybe flight itinerary and stuff like that, and so many other things. If you are looking at insurance, take Swiss Care, take AXA. You can even take the ACS. All right, there is an insurance company called ACS. Now, how much do you need for insurance to cover you? If your program is less than 2 years, you need at least 20,000 on the insurance to cover you. If your program is greater or equal to 2 years, then you need 40,000 euros. Now, you are not paying this money to the insurance company, this huge amount of money. You are just showing the premium version. All right, there is a way they calculate this. They will explain it to you. So please put all of this into consideration. It's so important. And remember that if you want to apply for a visa to Finland, you need to go to the migree.fi website. This is the same platform that almost all universities of applied sciences in Finland usually run their application. But there is a section for visa application. In that section, you are going to see all documents you need, including visa application form, and also what you need to do in order to get all these documents done, or how you can submit this. Please take a look at all of this, and even proof of funds is there. Remember, you can migrate to Finland with your spouse, but you are not going to be using the 6,720 euros to migrate to Finland. No, there is a particular amount for your spouse. If you are moving with a child, there is an amount for the child. If you are moving with 2 children, there is an amount for the first child, second child, third child, and so on. And remember, as you move from top to bottom, like from the first child to the 5th child, the amount reduces. The first child needs to show that they have 400 euros per month times 12 to spend in Finland. So if you are bringing in the second child, it should be 300 times 12. The third child is 200 times 12, and so on. Put all of this into consideration, guys. There are part-time jobs in Finland. Of course, the situation is almost changing. Finland is almost somehow funny now. It's not just Finland, the whole of Europe has somehow, because too many international students are moving to these countries. So they need to look for a way to balance their countries. They are facing shortages. There are particular fields that there are labor shortages, like the healthcare. But again, if you are not in the healthcare area, does it mean that you will not have a job? No, there are jobs, but sometimes before you go in, the jobs are not available. Sometimes they are available. So you need to put all of this into consideration. The main thing is to enter into Finland. You would sort yourself later on over there. I hope this video helps you. Till we meet again in another one. My name is Milton. Please share the video so that somebody can benefit from it. Until then, bye bye.